26 Fabulous garden, decorating ideas. 1. DIY stepping stones. 2. A gabion wall creates a dramatic feature in a garden. 3. Make a rocking caterpillar. 4. Spiral rock mosaic path. 5. Stone garden bench. 6. Handmade stone tree, car. 7. Painted rock garden markers. 8. Garden bench made with beach pebbles. 9. Make a tic-tac-toe garden table. 10. Wire and stone heart. 11. Strawberry rocks. 12. DIY rock cactus garden. 13. DIY stacked rock fountain. 14. Rock footprints are easy to make. 15. Paint small rocks with glow-in-the-dark paint. 16. Animal stone art. 17. Rock concert stone art. 18. Stone patio bench. 19. Our family rocks is a charming idea for the garden. 20. Pebble garden art. 21. A mini stone hobbit cottage. 22. Cute stone birdhouses. 23. Paint the stones in your garden. 24. DIY rain chimes from river stones. 25. Beauteous stone basket planters. 26. Cute rock ladybugs.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.